Good afternoon, class. We are going to start our topic, which is equations. So now, first of all, in equation, our first term is firstly numbers, and another term is alphabet. We know about these two terms, numbers and alphabets. We studied this before, I think, started in LKG class. We studied about numbers and alphabets also. But in maths now, in algebra, the numbers is named as constant. Numbers are like 1, 2, 3, up to so on. And alphabets are A, B, C, up to Z, right? These are our alphabets. But in algebra, we call it as numbers are named as constant. Numbers are constant and alphabets are named as variables. Alphabets are named as variables. Constant means a fixed numerical value. Constant means a fixed numerical value that we can't change. And alphabet means variables as per the meaning of variable, which varies. Varies, or you can say it as which varies or changes. Means the value of the variable changes. Constant means a fixed value. Fixed numerical value. This is clear? So, in constants, our next mathematical term is, we know about the mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiply and divide. So now when we join two constants with numerical or mathematical operation, or you can call it as arithmetical operations, when we join two constants means 2 plus 3. Example, another example is 4 multiply 5. 4 multiply 6. Here we join two constant with a mathematical operation. 2 is a constant, 3 is a constant, and plus is a mathematical operation. So this is called your numerical expression. So when we join two constant with a mathematical operation, it is said to be a numerical expression. But when we join two constant or variables with a mathematical operation, for example, when we join 2 plus x, now one is your constant, another is your variable. We are joining this using a mathematical operation, that is our plus. This is called as algebraic expression. This is called as algebraic expression. So when we join two constant with the mathematical operation, it is called numerical expression. And when we join two number or two constant or variables with mathematical expressions operations, so it is called as algebraic expression. So now we have to deal with expressions, algebraic expressions. We have to deal with algebraic expressions. What an algebraic expression is? Algebraic expression is a combination of terms. Algebraic expression is combination of terms. And what is term is? It is a combination of, it is combination of terms. Same is this. Means when we joining variables and constant with mathematical operation, it is called algebraic expression. So same combination of term is this. So what do you mean by a term? What do you mean by a term? Term is a combination of, wait a minute, what's going on? Let's proceed. We know about the numerical expression, we know about the algebraic expressions now. So now when two expressions joined together, two expressions joined together with equality, equality means equal. When we join two expression with equality or inequality, or inequality. Inequality means less than, less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to. Inequality means less than, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. Means when two expressions join together with equality or inequality. This is called an mathematical sentence. This is called mathematical sentence. We studied about sentence in English. This is a mathematical sentence. When we join two expressions with equality or inequality. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1. This is an mathematical sentence. Or 3x is greater than 2 into 3. This is a mathematical sentence. Is this clear? So now, as when we join two expressions with equality or inequality, they make a mathematical sentence. Now, the mathematical sentence with equal sign, a mathematical sentence with equality is called equation. is called equation. So we have to study about equation. So now when a mathematical sentence with equality is called the equation, means an expression when two expressions are joined together, means 3x plus 7 is equal to, we will write it as 4x minus 3. Now this is an expression, this is also an expression, and we join these two expressions using sign equal. So this complete forms an equation. This is called an equation. In an equation, we have two parts. One is said to be your left hand side. Sorry. One is your left hand side, which is on the left side of the equality. Another is your right hand side, which is on the right side of the equality or the equal sign. So the left part of the equal sign is said to be left hand side and the right part of the equality is said to be right hand side. We use the abbreviation LHS for left hand side and we use abbreviation RHS for right hand side. Is this clear? So now next is our solutions of the equation. Now we have the equation, this 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7 is equals to 4x minus 3. If we have to find the value of x from there, what it means? Means if we are solving this, 3x plus 7 is equals to 4x minus 3. If we have to solve this for the value of x, if we are solving this equation for the value of x, that value of x is said to be the solution of the equation, or we can call it as root of the equation. Means the value of x, we can call it as solution of the equation, or we can call it as root of the equation. It may be roots or solution. So solution of the equation or roots of the equation. And what is the steps? What are the steps involving in solving this? Is 3x plus 7 is equals to 4x plus 3. Your step 1. Firstly, try to take all the variables, all the unknown terms to the left hand side of the equality. Try कीजिए कि आप जो भी अननोन टर्म्स हैं, जो भी वेरिएबल्स आपके हैं, उन सभी को आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वालिटी में रखेंगे. So take all the terms to the left hand side. That is 3x minus 4x. When we transpose 4x to the left side, the sign will change. So now equal sign, here the term is 3 and now when we transpose constant 7 to the right side, it will be minus 7. So now here, second step, you have to solve this and take as single term. Step 2 is solve the left hand side and take your unknown term as a single term. Now two terms are there, 3x and 4x, but solve it to take it as a single term. So now if we solve it, it is minus x. Here it is minus 4. Now, how will we solve further? Step 3. Step 3 is जो भी आपका कोफिशिएंट है, कोफिशिएंट मीन्स अ नंबर विद वेरिएबल, जो वेरिएबल के साथ आपका नंबर है, दैट इज योर न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट. डिवाइड बोथ द साइड्स विद दैट कोफिशिएंट so that you can take the answer in single term. Here already in single term only minus sign is there, Only minus sign is there. Minus x and minus 4. So we can cancel those both the minus, or you can say that divide both side by minus 1, because here the coefficient is minus x is equals to minus 4. So here coefficient is minus 1, here coefficient is minus 1. So divide both side by minus 1. So if you divide it by minus 1, minus and minus cancels. So x is equals to 4. This value of x, your x is equals to 4, is the solution for this equation, or you can call it as x is equals to 4 is the root of this equation. Is this clear? So it's all for the day. Thank you.